Christmas Eve. The boys were up really late last night. If you saw yesterday's vlog, we went to church. We went to church last night, and we did not get home till late. And then I was editing. So anyway, I really want to get my nails done, but I feel like it's not going to happen because both boys are still asleep. But my nails look so bad. You see the cracks and stuff? Maybe not, but there's cracks and chipping, and this one actually broke, so I filed it down. So you see how that one's like a different shape than the other ones. At this point, I'm just trying to be loud to wake them up. Anyway, I do need to get this place cleaned up. And I also want to look at them. They're so cute. They get on my nerves. Okay, so as you can see, the tree is looking a little janky because Ethan has been crawling underneath of the tree and like also, I never put this ribbon on. Oh. Good morning. I did not even see you. Hey guys, it's a little bit later. I've just been on the phone with my mom and tidying up. Does anybody else do that? Get the best, like the most cleaning done when they're on the phone? You're just wandering around your house picking stuff up. So that's what I've been doing. Ethan is dressed now, sitting there watching TV, and I am needing to get dressed because we do need to run out and do a few errands. It's already a little bit later than I wanted to leave the house. But, whoa, sorry. You come in? Bye.
Bye. Bye.
So I need to get dressed because I'm still in pajamas. I have a pile of laundry on my bed. So I'll put these sweatpants on. All right, guys, we are on our way to the nail salon, and I'm hoping that it's not crowded. And like normally I would go to the nail salon when the boys are in school, and I would go like as soon as they open in the middle of the week. And so normally when I'm in the nail salon, it's like nobody in there, and I'm the only one in there, and I'm just in there chopping it up with all the people. And the one I go to, they're very good about, you know, they actually still do temperature checks when you go into to my nail salon. And also they have all of the partitions and stuff set up between you and the person doing your nails, and they all have on masks and face shields. And even before the pandemic, I feel like people who worked in the nail salon normally would wear masks anyway because of they're exposed to all those fumes all the time. So, you know, they were probably just like, ain't no thing. When it went to everybody wearing masks and stuff, they were like, no, this is fine. We're so like used to doing this anyway. We went to Dunkin' Donuts and they didn't have any donuts left. I feel at the very least you should like bulk, you know, beef up your inventory of donuts if like if it's in the name. But that's just me.
This one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why did I go into Target? Why? There was like almost 5 accidents going in, almost 5 accidents coming out. Let me go home. Let me take my black home. But I did get a lot of good stuff. Not for gifts. I got stuff for the house. I got some I've been wanting to switch over my detergent to something without any dyes in it. So I just got the clean and free version of the laundry detergent that I use, the Arm & Hammer one. And then I also got the Tide one because I'm just want to see how I like it. And then for the scent beads, I got the Downy Light scent beads. They're like no dye, no nothing. And also got the fabric softener, the Downy fabric softener, clean and free. So I just want to see how my skin reacts, and how my body chemistry reacts. Read between the lines, you know what I'm saying. I'm rolling my eyes at that Dunkin' Donuts because like how you run out of donuts. Okay, so I got sidetracked and wrapped a couple gifts. I'm gonna show you what I got from Target. Okay, so I got this for Ethan to wear tomorrow. Is the rest of this stuff for her? Yeah. Okay, all the rest of the stuff in this bag for my niece. This is my nails, and this are my Christmas gift to myself. Faith sees the invisible, believes the incredible, and receives the impossible. So I think that is pretty cute. Wipes, because you always need wipes, and I love how this smells. Just disregard all of this, okay? Some food prep gloves, mostly because I just got my nails done, and y'all know I really don't wear gloves like that to do any cleaning. I just wash my hands often while I clean, but because I just got my nails done and I want to preserve them for a month, I've been trying to go once a month instead of twice a month because I think that's a little bit much. I'm going to wear these while I do dishes and other things. I saw that TikTok hack about the shower, so I'm using one of these for the shower. I got one of those for the shower. Some more toothbrushes because the boys have been sick and I've been switching out their toothbrushes often, so we ran through our backups. Some more toothpaste. Xavier used to use this one a long time ago. Now he's upgraded to like an adult toothpaste because he likes the one that I was using. So I'm gonna try this one for Ethan now. It's no dye. You see that there's a theme going on here. I got some of this because it had really good reviews, and it's all natural, so we'll be using that throughout the season. Then this is the brush that I use when I am doing dishes. Please, again, disregard all this. I haven't vacuumed yet. Okay, so got some more granola bars. Remember, that's the thing I have been kept forgetting. I normally get them from Aldi, but since we were at Target, I just picked them up. I got some barbecue sauce. I got some salsa. Whoa. Some salsa. Oh, I forgot we got these. I'm gonna keep those hidden. I'll just stick those in their stockings later. Some gum for me. Fabric softener that I picked up, and then I picked up this laundry detergent, and then I picked up these the Up and Up brand of the Clorox wipes, vegetable egg rolls, just some little hors d'oeuvre things, spinach dip, some turkey sausage, some popcorn. I normally get this from Aldi too. And I got Ethan these cute sweatpants. Look how cute with the little kangaroo pocket in the front. That's so cute. The roaring water things I was talking about that are like juice, but it's flavored water. The scent beads I got. The bottle looks like that because this was the last one in this big size. So it smells so good. So yeah, it's like dye free, as you can see. The Tide. I don't usually buy Tide. You guys know I buy the Arm & Hammer brand. So we're gonna try this and see how it goes. But I don't want to just use this for everything because it's so expensive. Clinical germicidal wipes, hospital disinfectant. So this is the cleaner that goes with this, the wipes, like it's in the same brand. These are very expensive because of the ingredients that are inside and how effective they are. And as you can see, the spray kills all of this stuff within 1 minute, and that is insane. Like these wipes do it in 2 minutes. So this is really strong stuff, and I'm going to be using this sparingly because this was like $14 for this one thing. So you don't use this to just be spraying, you know, on all of your surfaces every time you clean. This is like definitely for after someone has been sick, or, you know, if somebody in the house had COVID or whatever. Like this is what this is for. It kills both enveloped and non-enveloped viruses. Enveloped viruses are really harder to clean, so if they're on your surface, it would take so much longer for whatever spray or whatever you're using to actually like get in there and kill the virus because of the outer layer. It's like a lipid bilayer or something, if I remember correctly from from school. So yeah, this is like really strong and really good stuff, especially if somebody has. I also got these for Xavier because he has been, like I said, his throat has been like bothering him. So hey guys, change of plans. We're going out to eat. You want shrimp or chicken? Shrimp. We are back home, guys, and we are putting on Christmas pajamas. I don't know what you want me to do.